Welcome back to the channel. My name is Imani, and in today's video I will be showcasing a few colored contacts for brown eyes. Today's video is sponsored by JUST4KIRA. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and let's go ahead and get into it. Your contacts will come packaged in a similar black box depending on how many pair of contacts that you order. So once you open the box, inside of the package, you will see, of course, their logo and their website. Your package will include a thank you card for your order and how you have a chance to win free products with instructions below. And on the back of the card, instructions on how to insert and remove your contacts. I ordered 4 pair of contacts based on my prescription because I do wear prescription eyeglasses. I had a slim selection because the size of my contacts are very specific. So in my package, I had 8 boxes. Each eye contact comes in 1 box. So you will have 2 boxes for 1 pair of contacts. Also, inside of your package, you will have a clear contact lens case holder. This is just for you to safely store your contact lenses with the contact lens solution of your choice. Inside of your contact lens holder, your clear case, you will see 2 tools that are very important for you to safely remove and insert your contacts. If you are a beginner, these tools will be very extremely helpful for you. This is the contact solution that I prefer to use. Let's go ahead and jump into the try-on portion of this haul. So the first color contacts I got are in the shade Ginger Green. These were very easy to put in. I love how they fit around my eyes. I didn't have any scratchiness or itchiness once I moved them around in my eyes, which is why I kind of roll them around just to see the comfortability the comfortability of the contact lenses. I do have a prescription like I mentioned before, and I had absolutely no problem with seeing properly out of these contacts. I honestly cannot believe how good they look on my brown skin. Now, of course, this is not a natural eye color for me, but they do look really good and really natural. Sometimes, colored contacts can look pixelated, but these do not look that way, and I absolutely love that. The next colorway that I chose was Alpha Green, and these kind of scared me a little bit. This pair of colored contacts, it gave me a hard time because you probably can't see, but the inside where the pupils are, my pupils are quite large, and it was very hard for me to see. It was like a ring around my pupils, and it was very cloudy. These were definitely a no for me. The next shade of contacts that I got were in the shade Norco Gray. And I think that I really like these. They are like a grayish, it gives off like a blue tint. They really fit really comfortably in my eye. Like I said, with the first pair, no itchiness, no scratching of my pupils. I have experienced in the past when I have tried on colored contacts, sometimes they burn and sometimes they do turn my eyes red. So do not be like me in this video. Luckily, they did not burn, but they do recommend that you soak your contacts for at least 8 to 12 hours in your preferred contact solution. I did not do that. Please do not be like me. And even though these contacts are not a natural color for me, I cannot lie, they do complement my melanin very well. Okay, y'all, the last and final shade that I received were in the shade Siln Brown. And I must admit, this is my favorite shade of all 4 shades that I received. They are the most natural looking for me. If you have dark brown eyes and are of my complexion, I think that this will be a really good match for you, especially if you are trying to step outside of your comfort zone or just want to try something new. I really enjoyed trying on these contacts for you all. I have not worn colored contacts in a very long time. I know at least over 15 years. Again, thank you so very much to JUST4KIRA for sponsoring this video. They were very patient with me, and of course I do have a coupon code for you all. It is Imani Tierra 20. You will receive 20% off of your order. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Consider subscribing to join the family, and I'll see you all in the next one.